Do you ever wonder that you're putting your trust in the wrong mechanic? John is really happy with this. It's even got a Nismo trumpet.
Is it? Yeah.
JDM.
Did it drive on?
Yeah.
And a glove for your air filter.
Beauty!
Yeah, mint donut, mate.
This wheel didn't turn.
I think that would explain what the noise is.
Go on, let's see your one wheel donut. The 11s. So now we've actually started cleaning and stripping down the engine. Time to look at what the actual problem was. So fuel rail normally goes on here and it has the spacer that sits in there. Now I've already given the other spacer to machine shop to try and get new ones made up, but there was a real crap hot metal thread that's part of the spacer, and that is still in there. So we're going to get it machined up in high tensile steel rather than aluminium, which is basically going to snap under load, and hopefully that will stop it ever happening again. But a word of warning, if anyone's got a, well, it's not even that cheap, but a semi-cheap inlet manifold with a fuel rail combo, do not allow something like that to basically ruin your day and cost you an awful lot of money. Next bit we noticed as well is how this fitting has been tapered. It looks like someone just fucking rolled it round on a file or something to actually get it to fit in the recess on the inlet manifold. So again, if that wasn't fitting properly, heat, stress, that's probably what made the thread actually snap out of it.
Yes, if I say hello, they say, what are you saying?
I hope you got that.